I know that I'm late. I am very sorry. Please pardon me. The meeting with the command conference military guys and the police took longer than we expected. Dito, Mr. President, we are live. Takot man ito sila takot ito yan sila Potaragis, ayun dumikit. Yan. Ibig sabihin, huwag ka magbura. Ang taong galit, nagmumura talaga kasi anong sabihin mo? The last time was the other day, I went home to Davao. I was given a briefer of the so many Filipinas suffering wounds